Hello everyone, Brian Burns, Motor City Spindle Repair. We're here at our 25,000 square foot facility. I'm going to give you an inside look at some of the makes and model spindles we are rebuilding today. Thank you. For instance, here's a Koyo centerless grinding spindle, 6,000 RPM grinding unit. What you're looking at here is a disassembled Morisiki machining center unit. I'm not certain on the exact make and model. Looks like it's a 10 to 12,000 RPM Cat 40 motorized machining center unit. Right here we have a motorized Doosan machining center spindle. I believe this is a 12,000 RPM unit. It's a Cat 40. Fortunately, this one has a cracked shaft. But just to give you an idea, a lot of times, even a spindle with a cracked shaft, we can do a laser weld and regrind and save that spindle shaft. Just depends on how deep the cracks are. This kind of unique looking spindle is basically, for lack of a better term, it's a motorized routing spindle for a machine that cuts stone to make countertops. Water cooled, 10,000 RPM, pretty specific to the stone or composite cutting industry. Here we have an Akuma MA500, 8,000 RPM motorized Cat 50 machining center spindle.
Thanks for taking the time to check it out. If you have any questions, reach out to a team member today.